What's up, guys? I go by the name of John McNeil, and I'm super excited to make this video for you guys today because in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys a method to generate $50 to $100 on any given day, and probably even more money if you are able to really scale up this method. Now, guys, don't worry. You don't need a website. You don't need an email list. You don't need to make videos or anything like that. This is a crazy method that anybody can do, and you can actually easily make $50 today, $100 tomorrow, $75 the next day, and so forth and so on. So make sure you watch the entire video, guys, because this method is going to change someone's life. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so it's going to jump right into this video. So right now I'm on a website called Craigslist.com. And what the Craigslist is, if you're not familiar, most of you probably are, but what Craigslist is a website in which you have a lot of different products and services and things that people will offer. So like they have services, beauty services, lawn care services. They have people that are trying to rent out houses or commercial buildings. They have things that people are trying to sell. There's different jobs that you can actually apply for, all on Craigslist. Now, what I wanted you guys to pay attention to is this category here. So on Craigslist, you can actually do this in your particular area. So I'm doing Orlando, Florida. And so you would want to do like your city and state, right? So what you want to pay attention to is this for sale right here. And you want to go to this category here that says free. So you're going to click on free. And this actually brings up stuff that people are giving away for free. Like people aren't charging for this at all, and they're giving away this stuff for free. So if I look here, you can see that somebody's giving away a free washer and dryer. Somebody is giving away a free dog. Somebody's giving away their dog. Somebody's giving away this large sectional chase. It's like a large couch. Some people are giving away, look at this. This is a electrical scooter. Somebody's giving it away. So a lot of times people are moving or they just don't want something anymore and they're just giving stuff away. So a lot of it may be not so nice, but then sometimes you're going to find things that are decent. And what you would want to do is, I mean, look at this. This is furniture. People are giving this stuff away, and all you would have to do is what? Go pick it up. This is free car seats, mirrors. You got more couches here. You got a stove here. I mean, it goes on and on and on and on, and people are giving away this stuff for free. Now, what's the saying go? Like another person's junk is another person's treasure, right? So what you want to do, and this is like a riding lawnmower. So, I mean, this is crazy. Like all this stuff is free. So what you would want to do is you would actually want to get a truck or something like that, and we go pick up some of this free stuff. And say you want to go get this, where's that sectional that we saw? So this looks like a nice sectional right here. So say you wanted to go pick up this sectional, you get this sectional for free. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to a website called OfferUp.com, OfferUp.com. And OfferUp is basically just a website that you can sign up for absolutely free. And you can list things that you want to sell, right? So what happens is when you sign up for OfferUp, you're going to put in your zip code. And when you take a picture of something that you want to sell, people that are searching for those particular items are going to pull up your listing, so to speak. So if I'm going to sell that sectional, I'm going to take a picture of it. I'm going to post it here on OfferUp. I can put a price tag on it for $100, $200, $300. I mean, it looked like a pretty nice sectional, right? Somebody was just giving it away. Even if you make $50 on that sectional, you didn't pay for it at all. It was totally free. And you would basically just list items that you're getting for free off of Craigslist, right? So you can go around, maybe get a truck for the day, just go around and start picking up all of these free things that people are giving you away. You take pictures of the free stuff. You post them on OfferUp, right? You can post them on OfferUp. You can also do this on your local Facebook market pages. I know a lot of people sell stuff on that. And basically, you would just put a price on the stuff that you have collected for that day. And you can easily generate $50 to $100 a day, or even more, depending on what you're getting for free off of the Craigslist website. This is absolutely free, guys. You don't have to do anything other than take your time to go around and pick up these items, right? Then you take your iPhone, you take a picture of it, you list it on this site, right? People are always looking through the site and seeing what's, people have for sale because they're always looking to buy stuff. And you can actually start making money for the items that you get for free. It's actually an ingenious way to actually make money, right? So again, this is something that anybody can do. All you have to do is take the time to go ahead and collect the items, come over to OfferUp or your Facebook marketplace or any other place where you can actually sell stuff. You put a picture, put a little small description on there, take a picture, put a price on it, and then you can actually sell. So with OfferUp, what ends up happening is anybody that contacts you and they want to buy the product that you are selling, they'll actually, send you a message, and then you will agree to meet up. You can meet up at like a local Walmart or some sort of public environment. And then you would basically bring that item, they give you the cash, you make the exchange, and then you walk away with the cash. And you didn't have to come out your pocket at all for the items that you even listed. So this is something that you could be doing every single week. You can be going here on the website and just seeing what people are giving away for free, taking, a couple hours maybe to pick up a lot of this stuff, and then loading, these type websites up like OfferUp and selling this merchandise, selling these products that you're getting for free and you're actually making a profit on. So I hope you guys got the concept. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if this made sense to you and you enjoyed this video and you like more common sense videos like this that can help you make an easy $50 to $100 a day. And I'll make more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you go get that free stuff. Sell, sell, sell. You guys can do this. It's super easy. I've sold a ton of stuff on this website. I've made thousands of dollars selling stuff around my house on OfferUp. So now all you're going to do is you're going to post the stuff up, the free stuff that you get, and post it on this website and make dinero. This is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.